Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Happy New Year to everybody, and hope everyone's hit the ground running. My workshop in particular have been very, very busy, and for what I've been hearing around the traps, everyone is very busy, which is great for the trade, but we need to be a little bit careful how we handle the really busy times like we have at the moment. In my own workshop, I've just crunched all our numbers for January, and interestingly, we found our average number of jobs went up from about 8 jobs a day up to about 10 jobs a day. But the problem with that was that our average price per job dropped. So we had about a 20% increase in the number of jobs we're doing per day, but our average price per job dropped by about the same. So at the end of the month, we turned over about the same amount of money, but I had to do more cars for that. So the problem with that is we've got 2 extra cars, 2 extra invoices, 2 extra customers, 2 extra parking spots, 2 extra cars to wash and vac, 2 extra cars that we have to think about during the day, and logistically even move around the workshop. So it makes your day a much harder day, a more challenging day to actually get those 2 extra jobs in. So we have to be very careful when it is extremely busy, is to maintain our average price per job, in making sure that we have and we're making the best out of each job that comes into our workshop, and not missing opportunity or even repairs that need to be done, and letting customers know, well, we didn't get a chance to get this done or get that done. They don't appreciate that either. Customers are time poor, so they want to make sure they get, in most cases, get all the repairs done when the car is in on the day. So really be careful when it's extremely busy, like it is at the moment. If we manage it properly, we can work smart, still be profitable and manageable each day. If we start to lapse and start to say yes to too many customers, we end up putting ourselves and our own staff under pressure. So we have to be very, very careful to manage that. Also manage the type of jobs you're putting in. Make sure that someone's carefully looking at, but you're not booking 3 or 4 timing belts jobs in a day. Manage your staff, your quality of your staff, or the experience of your staff to the types of jobs that you're booking in. So just be very wary of that. It's an easy thing to do to try and get more work in, and you end up not making as much money as you would have done if you didn't take the extra work in. So just be careful. Hopefully that helps you out while it's extremely busy. Hopefully we continue this way, and don't forget there's plenty of training happening this year. Make sure you keep an eye on our training tab for all the training that's happening within the industry. See you next time.